So another quick tip, uh, this furnace is located in the closet, and when you open the closet, basically you can feel when the warm air coming in or the cold air coming in. So, and therefore I was curious, either this is about just missing the insulation on the pipe, on the ducts, or something else. So, and actually once we remove the coil, it's now becoming obvious that it's a huge gap right there. So, and that's why all this air, that's where all the air coming in from. So you can see it now better. That's how it looks like. That's how it looks from the inside. Yeah, that was not the best work of the installers, but we're going to fix it as well.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Here's the part that gets me mad. Why does a pan rust through? Water. Water that sits one spot for years. So why did it sit? Because the coil was not level. Someone set it in with a tilt. The pan is made to drain. Water should run down to the low corner and out. But if it tilts the wrong way, the water just sits there. It sits all year, year after year, and water sitting on the metal does one thing. It eats it.